prep table. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, a length of 27.5 inches, a depth of 29.5 inches, and a height 41.75 inches with cover. Without the cover, we have 34.75 inches. Coming to the top are 8 pans that will be included with this sandwich prep table. The measurements for each pan will include 6.25 inches in length, 6.75 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 8 pans included. Cutting board dimensions, we have 27.25 inches in length. The depth of the cutting board, we have 10.25 inches. Bottom swing door, coming below the prep table, will be the one adjustable shelf. And the measurements for the shelf, we have 23 3/8 in length by 17 inches in depth. Interior dimensions for the refrigerator, we have 24 inches in length, 12 inches in depth, by 24 inches in height. And located on the right column will be a thermometer that will be included. Coming to the left side will be the ETL certification sticker. Temperature control located on the back of the prep cooler, along with the 110-120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.